Good morning, everyone.
Across the river of Georgia.
Just trying to get everything set up here. Good morning, Clarity, Cover, and Miss K. All right, let's see. We are going to mark out the opening range. I'm going to take that on this funded account. Look for $200 and then be done with this account. Let's see. How's everyone's morning so far? Good morning, Tony. Good morning, Dave. He's not gay? No, he's not gay. We're not married, though. You know, not yet. That's not on my part. That's on his part, though. Maybe he is. Maybe he is secretly gay. And that's the problem, huh? See, he is. You know, what are my thoughts on it? Let's see. Hopefully, we can get this trade in today. I didn't get it down in time yesterday. And then, win or lose, we're going to lock ourselves out of this account. That way, we're going to be up 200 or down 300, and we're not going to risk any more than that. Want to have one of these on soon. Sorry, guys, I'm trying to get all of these connected. All right, so let's see. I'm sure Methodical Man is doing a giveaway today once he gets over here, so you guys can enter that. Hashtag MM. He's over on My Funded Futures this morning. So here we are. Sorry. You're stuck with me once again. I'm gonna have to get a pay raise. 3 mornings in a row over here. Gotta get a pay raise. Good morning, Robert. Good morning, Wayne. Wayne, are you the one that went fishing the other day? I don't remember who it was. It was you or someone else. I was gonna ask if you caught anything. Any luck fishing? Maybe we have an upside potential. I would like to kind of see it sweep this low. See it sweep the previous day low down there at, let's see, 29.17 area. And then maybe look for a long out at that area. But we'll see. It doesn't always work that way. Right. It was Greg. Nice. My 15-year-old, he always is like, take me fishing, mom. Teach me to fish. And I'm like, I mean, I take him, but we don't catch much. I'm not, I'm not very knowledgeable on the fishing department, but hey, we try. He catches them when, my brother takes them, but I do my best. We do our best. About 5 minutes till the open. Maverick's chilling over there on the bed, so if you hear him, sorry. Looks like we barely broke out of the top already, but hopefully we stay in the range today. Let's see, how large is it? 134, 173, about 40 points. Nice, Wayne. We did that, what was it? It was like 2 years ago, 2 or 3 years ago. We took the kids out deep sea fishing. Where were we at? We were in Fort Lauderdale. And Alan and we were sick the entire time. The kids are just out there having a blast with the guys that took us out, and we're just, puking the entire time. It was, not so much fun for us, but they had a good time. Oh yeah, we love the St. Augustine area. Like I said before, I lived in Clearwater for like 8 years with my late husband, but I'm not from there. I'm from here. Born and raised here, and then I moved there after high school with him, and we lived there for like 8 years before we made it back to Georgia. I would love to move back there. I would love to live closer to the beach and all that, but Myth tells me no. He tells me no. Even after the kids are grown, he said no. Nice, Dave. I want to visit there also. I would like to go that way for like our honeymoon. I told Miss, I was like, I would like to go to like that area or Australia or something, and then I want to go over to Fiji. So, something like that is what I would like to do. But it would be like a 2 week trip. I don't know if I could leave my kids for 2 weeks. Maybe like in the States, but I don't know if I could leave them like internationally for 2 weeks with neither he or I here. All right, let's see. We have 45 seconds. Let's get this ready. We're going to go ahead and put the downside on, and then we'll get the upside ready. Oh, yeah, I did tag in. Perfect. Perfect. All right, up 200 on that. That banged for us. I wasn't sure if it got me in there, but we are going to lock ourselves out of this account. We need 3 more $200 days to get the payout. All right, we don't want to risk that. Let's switch over to a different one. We hit the daily loss on this one yesterday, so. Why is our face lighter in color? I have no idea. It could be the light over here. The light's kind of hitting my face where it doesn't hit my body, maybe. Maybe that's it. Or it could be because I wear a hat usually out in the sun, so my face is lighter than my body. We're pretty tan. Did anyone catch that long to the upside there? I'm gonna be patient on these today. What else? Let's see. These are all findings. So I'm gonna pull my eval over here and then move my funded over here. So I'm not gonna grade those other than, unless we get a setup. But I'll take some trades on these evals. I don't have anything marked out on this one. Let's see. I would like to see it kind of sweep down, take out this previous day low before I look for a long. But I don't know if they'll look at that. Methodical man will be over here around 10:30, I suppose. 10:35 after he finishes up on my funded futures. He will be here today, guys. Did anyone catch his stream last night? He said he didn't trade very well on there, though. Let's see, we could take the orb to the downside. I don't think that has triggered yet. So I may take that if we get down there on this eval. All right. If we get down there, we'll take that. The openings have been kind of slow lately. Not much to do here, just kind of ranging in this area. Hello. Is this how do you say your name? Is this just another way to say Derek? Just spelled differently? Or is it Direk? Derek? I'm not sure. But hello. Welcome in. Sorry, I'll butcher your name. Mytha's pretty good with the names. Me, not so much. I'm like Husk. I'll butcher the name all day long. Hashtag MM to enter the giveaway. Myth will be over here at around 10:35 or so. And he will do the giveaway then. He's over on My Funded Futures. If anyone wants to go say hello. Yes, the stronger, yeah. Let's see, making a new high here. What are you doing, bud? Yeah. This one? Uh-huh. What about it? I see mommy's on here for daddy, so can you go play over there with it? Do you want to say hi? No. You don't want to say hi today? No? Do you want to say hi? I'm gonna give you a kiss. Oh, thank you. All right, go over there. I love you. You want to say hi? You want to sit on my lap? Right there. Look. Say hi. Hey, with the camera. Say hi. Say hello. That you? Yeah, that's me and you. Why? You gotta say hi to them. Why? Because. All right, ready to go lay down? I'm gonna go over there and hang out, and then mommy will come play with you when we get done. Then. So when I find a chair and you can sit beside me, go get one of your little chairs. No. Where's one of your small chairs? I don't want the horse. Let's see. I may take this on a close below on this email. Oh, okay. I'll help you find one in just a minute, okay? Okay. Yeah, he's, watching the market over there. He does tell me. He'll say, go red, go green. He just calls it red or green. Red for short, green for long. Maverick, should we buy or sell? Is it should we red or green? No, right. Which one? Red or green? Red. Red, perfect. That's what we're gonna do if we get the close. Green. Oh, you can't switch like that. That's what Daddy does. Daddy just switches it up. Green. Green? Yeah. Ding. Ding, 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 ding. No, blah. Not yellow? No. Ding, ding, ding. Okay. Ding. Hi, Mom. Hi, Mom. And more. And more. Let's see, we might continue up some here. Let's hit the like, guys, Methodical Man said. Hit the like. He'll be over here to do a giveaway soon. Let's see, we have about 40 minutes. 45 minutes, and he'll be over here to entertain you guys. All right. If we close below, let's see, 57, I might take this, put my stop up here. See if we get it. Good morning, iTrades. How's everyone's morning so far? Did anyone catch the opening range? I wonder how Methodical did on it. Hopefully you got in because it was kind of like took the upside right away. And we were only like a couple of ticks below it. I wasn't sure it got me in, but it did get me in there. So we are up 200 on a funded. I locked myself out of that one. So we can't risk our money. Good morning. Let's see, I'd like to see a push up here. Maybe kind of another push up to like the 350 area and then look for a short out of there. Everyone enter the giveaway, hashtag MM, to join the penis race. All right, let's see. Not much going on here. I don't want to just jump in any trades. I'm trying to be patient this morning. I do still have the bottom side of the org trade on this eval here. If we get back down there, I'm just gonna take that. I'm gonna risk it and take it, but unless we get like a setup up here higher, then I'll probably take this off and just hold my short up here to that downside. See if we get down there. Target down there. Nice, Wayne. I haven't jumped in anything on these evals. I really want to like try to be smarter. I'd like to pass all these evals I have, so I really don't want to like just be jumping in to jump in and blow them. But we are green on one funded. That's the only trade I've taken so far today. I didn't take any trades last night. I'm trying to avoid jumping in at night because I did well trading in the evening for about a month there. That's how I kind of was banging some payouts also, but I had like 3 days where like I was just red at night. So I was like, I'm just gonna leave it alone for a little while. I don't usually like to trade the 9:30 to 10 because it's so like volatile, but it's not been bad lately when I've been on here. It's not. All right, let's see if we can get a push up here. I might look for a short around 350. We'll see if we can get up there. Let's see. Those are not equal, relative, but not equal exactly on the NQ. They are equal, it looks like on, oh, they might be one tick apart. Like I said, I'm gonna look for a push up into this 350 area, and I may look to short kind of up here just for a small pullback. I'll take one off at like 10 to 15 points and then leave it runner to see if we push down any more than that. Coming up on that 10 o'clock hour. How many kids do you have now? Like right this have in home? Me, I have 5 in my home. I have Maverick. He's right here. Say hi. Um, Maverick's 3.5. I have a 16-year-old, a 15-year-old. Well, my 16-year-old will be 17 in, let's see, on September 5th. So, about to be 17, 15. I have a 12-year-old daughter, and then I have an 8-year-old. My 8-year-old is not biologically mine. She's biologically my niece, but my sister is just not the greatest. So I've had her since she was 1 year old. So at a year old, I took her in, and I've had her since, and she's 8. So
Yeah. Okay.
so I have 4 biological, 1 adopted, and then I have
Oh, that's
3 stepkids with methodical. We have a big family, 8 altogether. All 5 of mine live here with me.
no.
Are those methodical man's kids? Just this one. This is methodical man's. Say hi.
Right.
This is our one together. We have 1 together. I have 3 with my late husband. He passed away when they were young, so they don't really. My oldest is about the only one that kind of remembers life with him. The other 2, they kind of just only truly remember methodical. We've been together for 7 years now, so they look at him like he's their dad. They know he's not like biologically their dad, but that's what they look at him as. And then my niece, well, she only knows methodical also. And then methodical has a couple of kids with his ex-wife, so you guys have seen Maverick though. He's been on here with methodical before. He always says why. Every time he puts him on here. Why? That's his favorite question. Why? Yeah, we got a big blended family. It's fine though. It's not time yet. Okay. Sorry, guys. He's gonna whine over there. He wants to go pick his sister up from school, and it's not time yet, so he's mad. They were home for summer, so he was like, he had people to entertain him and keep him busy, and now he's just back to just he and I, so he's bored. All right, the market's not doing much. Has anyone got any trades? Had any luck? It's just kind of choppy to me, but sometimes you can make some money in the chop. You just. Do I use code MM? I do actually. We don't live together, so that code benefits me. I'm not trying to pick the girls. Okay. Sorry, guys. The train's coming. We we live like a half a mile from the road back in the woods, but there's a train up there by the road, and he's terrified of it. Every time it comes, he's terrified. It's not time. Say hi. They want to talk to you. Look, they want to talk to you. They don't want to hear you crying. Look, say hi. They want to know. Did you get your Reese's? Did you get your Reese's? You still have a Reese's in there on the counter. Want to go get it? No. I put it on the counter for you. It's not time to pick a one. Yeah. You want to go get one? All right, let's go get one. Come on. All right, guys, I'll be right back. Come on. All right, we're back. We need to get a snap. So, Maverick will behave, not be so whiny. Yeah, there's not much to do here.
So,
Don't be so loud, okay? Here. Sorry guys, he's 3. He's not gonna be super quiet. All right, we got a 50 touch on the 1.
I don't pee. This me, I don't pee.
Oh, okay. We'll lay it right here, okay? We still have, yeah, we still have this trade on to the downside before we get down there. Okay, just kind of hoping we push up into this 40 area before I look for a short, but looks like it started going down without us. You need breakfast, so have some grapes. Let's fix it. Hey, if we're gonna be in here with me, we're gonna have to be a little more quiet, okay? Don't be so loud. It's not everybody wants to hear you yelling, man, hollering. All right, approaching the VWAP. I never know if my VWAP is right. Man, I wanted to catch the short, but it didn't push up. I wanted to push up into the 40s before I shorted him, but it went without us. So now I'm just gonna be patient and wait.
In the front, no boy.
I know.
No, nonsense.
All right, I want to see it continue to move down. I want it to take out this area, 29,000 area, and then I'll look for a long out of there if we get down there. I don't know that we get down that far. Continuing down, we're kind of in the VWAP area, so let's see if we can push through that and continue lower. Let's see.
I paid you.
Just in a small trade over here.
Why am I take?
Gonna see if we can get a 9 touch here.
Why am I take on
Not
that?
that's okay.
Why? That was
We
the
haven't
beat.
touched the 9 on the way down yet, so.
How do that in the over? That Emma stool. What Emma stool?
All right. There that is. Let's see. I don't think we made much. It was just 2 micros. Right. We're up 67 on this funded. Now let's see if we can continue down. I just like to try and catch that first 9 touch sometimes, guys, for a little bounce up. Usually I just get kind of like 10 points off it. Methodical will be joining you guys here soon in about 15 minutes. All right, I want to see this continue lower. I still have this on from the, if we push down here. I would like to see it push through this with just some quick volatility down there. Quick movement through. It's probably a risky trade, but a lot of times it works. A lot of small candles on the way down. Let's see, put 2 minutes. Let's see better. What you need, bud? I know. We're gonna go pick her up in a little bit, okay? Just a little bit. Not much longer. I will not be on here tomorrow, guys. Methodical Man will be on first thing in the morning because there's no roundtable tomorrow. No My Funded Futures Forum. Husk will be on My Funded Futures, so he'll be on his stream tomorrow morning. Hopefully, as long as nothing comes up. Hashtag MM will get you in the giveaway. I'm sure he'll run that as soon as he gets over here. Those trades we've taken this morning have worked. Let's see, we made 200 on this, on the opening trade. We took the long. I locked myself out so I can't mess with my profits. And then this one, we're just up $67 on this small long we just took. Those are the only 2 trades I've taken so far.
Thomas Froggy.
Your frog?
Yeah, Thomas.
I'll call him.
Yeah.
Maverick has a frog. It's out on our front porch every single night. This frog is out there and he calls it his pet. I think it likes the porch because I keep the porch light on, so like you get bugs that like flying around the porch light, and so that frog is out there every single night. And he calls that his pet, and so but we have not seen, he's not been here for about like 2 weeks now. We haven't seen him. So Maverick's a little concerned about his frog. He wants me to call him. Well, like a frog have phones.
Yeah. That's a target.
Yeah.
Daddy.
Dad's gonna call him and find him. Got it.
Yeah, cute. And don't take that. Don't take those in.
Oh man, that sucks. I trades. Yeah, I hit my daily loss on one of them yesterday. But, you know, it is what it is. That's why I'm like, I gotta do better about like, I keep just letting it hit my daily loss on my red days, and it's kind of dumb. I need to, that's why I'm locking myself out. When I hit, if I hit $200, I'm just gonna lock myself out. And then if I hit like $300 on a red, I'm just gonna lock myself out. That way I can't like take any more losing trades. That's okay. Go fill it up.
No, okay. Oh.
In the other bathroom, fill it up. Go use the other sink. You can reach. You can't reach in that one, bud. Well, I'm just trying to be patient on these accounts. You know, we're in no rush. We get to pay out, we get to pay out. If it takes us a month to get there, it takes us a month to get there. It's fine, right? We did just take a payout, what, 2 days ago? That was approved, so we did blow a few fundeds last week, so I think we're down to like three or four fundeds, and that's all we have left. We had six, maybe seven. We blew a few. Nice eye trades. 400 isn't bad. Just look for a good trade, and you'll be right back green. This is still just the bottom of the order from this morning. If we get down there, I don't want it to tap me in and then bounce. So I would like to see another small bounce, couple green candles, and then push down there further. If we don't get any more kind of like green area before we get down here, I might take this off. It's pushing back into the range, the opening range. Yeah, I want to see us. I'm tempted to take this off and look for a small long here. Not much, just 10 points. I want to see like some green before we push down lower.
Some more. Oh, I got this some more in it.
You got some more? Perfect.
Yeah, some more. Do, 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 do this a bit on.
Yeah?
I did do it.
All right. I'm going to take a small long here just for 10 points. Really, I would like to see it touch the 9 again. Maybe I'll look for 20. Let's see. We'll go break even. Let's take this off.
I watched the Nasdaq thing.
I want to see it kind of touch the 9 again, but I'm just going to take it right here if we get 20. And then there we go. She bangs. All right, not much, just 20 points. So we're up $78 on this.
Yeah. No, I know. Just play this.
Let's check out the 5-minute. We haven't looked at that much today. 3 for 3 so far this morning. Not bad. 3 for 3.
Ammo time. Ammo time.
If I would have saw this, I would have targeted this up here. Flat bottom 5-minute candle. Or is it? Sometimes it's not flat on the NQ where it is. Yeah, it is. No, there's a small wick. So I probably wouldn't have. Small wick on the NQ, but there's not one on the micros. So I probably wouldn't have targeted that edge. Just being patient. I wanted this short from up here, but I wanted it to push up about 10 more points before I entered short. It would have been a nice short too. But it didn't give us what we wanted. Now I would like to see it kind of push down to the probably the 16 area before I kind of try any longs. Who am I kidding? I'll probably take another long at some point. I'll probably kind of, unless we get the first 21 touch kind of right here. I like to look for that first 21 touch also. But I would like for us to maybe sweep down here to the 100 area before I kind of would target the 21 touch. I would want to see it move back down.
Yeah, I did 4 right too.
We may get a 9 touch here on the 2-minute. I like to target that sometimes too, the first 9 touch. But I like to see it make a new low before I target the 9 touch on the 2-minute. I doubt we push down, 100 points before we get that. Otherwise, I would take that on my abundance all day. If we don't touch this and then we push down, make a new low down here, and then target the first 9 touch on the 2-minute, I would take that on my abundance. But it looks like it wants to go ahead and tap that. All right, well, Thought Man should be coming over here soon. He should be. Oh, he's ready. Yeah, I missed that text. All right, well, that's going to be it for me today, guys. We are 3 for 3. Let's see. We'll go over what I'm up. We are, let's see, up 200 on this. We are up 67 on this one, and then we are up 78 on this one. So we're 3 for 3, all 3 winners today. But I will see you guys Friday. Here comes Methodical Man. Bye.
All right, we here. We here. How's everybody doing today? Let's get right into it, guys. We're going to get right into the... well, first of all, I might need to change that banner. Did Take Profit Trader in the 50% sale? What up, Yusuf? iTrades, Morning Bear. How's it going, Andy? Did they keep up with that sale? I don't even know. I don't even know. Let me see here. No, 40% off. They went back to 40% off. So let's update that right quick. Just change that 5 to a 4. Bam, there we go. Easy peasy. What up, Alexi? 3 days is permanent. Yes, 3 days is permanent. Okay, let's take a look at the giveaway, guys. We'll get that. We'll kick that off right away here. Exclamation point MM in the chat if you're not in the giveaway. We're going to do it right quick. No messing around on this particular giveaway. You can do it right away. Let's get the race up here. Oh, really? Well, I was just about to just go ahead and do the giveaway, and then all of a sudden we got a ton of users just smack in there. I don't like that. Let's go ahead and do the shotgun. I mean, like, I try to keep it fair for you guys. There was no suspicious activity there until like the last minute. So, all right, let's cancel it. Let's do exclamation point MM in the chat, guys. 1 minute, go. One minute, go. Exclamation point MM in the chat. You have 29 seconds. 29 seconds. Don't wait till the last minute. Don't do it. Last seconds. All right, here we go. I'm going to pick you guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If your name is chosen, you are in the race. You are not the winner yet. Your name, you have to win the race. Okay. We will do another giveaway after this one. Another one will be done. So don't worry, if you don't win this one, you have another chance. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I don't recognize any of these names. Are these all bots? Martha, I recognize, but if we've only got 33 people in here, how would I have 10 names that I don't recognize? Obviously, we recognize Alexi. We recognize the business lens. All right, we're seeing a few that we recognize now. If you need recognition, just throw you in. I'm just saying, you know, like, dang, what's up here? All right, let's go. Shuffle. Let's go, little PP race. Just leave the names I know. I should. Consistent Mind out to an early lead. Alexi trying to put the moves on. Man, Consistent Mind has an early lead. Somebody's got to make a run now if they're going to catch up. Alexi's trying to move trying to put the move here. Let's see if there's no pullback here. No pullback from Consistent Mind. He is the biggest, the largest of the group. Looks like Consistent Mind might be the winner here. Consistent Mind is the winner. Send me an email at methodicalman@gmail.com. In that email, you need to include a screenshot showing me that you're logged in. Top right hand corner here, click here. Screenshot this showing me that you're logged in. And I need your name, your email that you use for your MyFunded Futures account. All right, guys. We'll do another giveaway in a bit. We'll do another giveaway. So we kind of ran this opening range low, kind of that 930 low there, and just bounced right out of there. I'm up $163 on this account. Have I traded all these today? I'm up 97 on the funded. Did I trade this one? Yep, we're up $500 on that one. Oh, almost passed that one. Guys, I didn't even notice this. Look, I'm $25 away from passing this one. 216. I need $25 to pass this account. What is that? 1 micro. That's 2 micros. Like 10 points would be $40. So 10 points would be 40. 9 points would be 36. 8 points would be 32, but with the fees, so probably 32 ticks we need to pass. Yeah, no problem, no problem. Consistent. Your congratulations. 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 Again, we're going to do another giveaway in a little bit, guys. So if you didn't win, it's all right. We're going to do another one. I'm going to try to pass this account. Try to pass this account. All right. Boom, 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 boom. Find a spot here where we can pass this account potentially. Push back up there. I'm going to take, should I take the break lower here? I think so. I don't think we quite pushed back up to the midpoint here, did we? Not quite. It's close. Question is, do I long here or short here? I mean, ultimately, I do think the market goes down, but do I go 1 micro instead of 2? That's probably the play. I need 25. I think if I go 50 ticks, we should get it. Right? Let's see. $2 per point. 50 ticks is 11.5 points. That's 20. 15 points would be $30. Yeah, let's just try for 15. 1 micro. What are you in a long or a short, Tris? Guys, Apex did bring back the legacy accounts again, 90% off with a little twist. Use code MYTH for that, MYTH. MYTH. So I need $25 to pass this account. Wait, yeah. Kind of want to short here, but we got a small gap here. Is it on the 1 minute? I don't know if it is. Let's see. Yeah, there's a gap on the 1 minute there too. I don't really want to wait for the 1 minute gap to inverse, but I guess we could to be safe. Kind of just want to jump in now, to be honest. Short. All right, I'm going to jump in short here, guys. I need 15 points to pass this account, I believe. $25. Looks like it might make me fight for it. That is not the reaction. I mean, I was sitting here thinking like this is an idiot box. I should really short the top of it. That's what I was sitting here thinking, but yes, that's what I get for thinking. I add one more here, top of the range. Add one more here, top of the range. That will put me at, I think I'll need like 8 points to kind of get out of that. Not loving the look of this, but yeah, right away clarity too. Not even close. I do think we're kind of ranging here. The thing is, we could push back up here a pretty good bit. So I don't know. I don't know how much room I want to give it. I only need $25 to pass this account. So, oh, I am on the 2 minute. Yeah, yeah. What up, Lucky Mon? Thank you, thank you. Man, do I go ahead and stab here one more? I might regret this, but we're gonna add in one more here. What is our average? Yeah, I think I can go all the way up to 217 now. It should pass it, right? 217 is like 7. I don't even need that, I don't think. Oh no. Stay inside the range. I'm about to kill it if it pops back out of the range. And look for a better spot. Stay in the range. Come on, MNQ. Come on. Hello, Trading Star. I need $25. This would be what, 6 points? Actually, that might just be barely enough. Come on. Give me one more push down. Rude. Kind of want to add here one more time, but nope. Come on, get down here. Get down there. What am I in? 15? Holy cow. Chasing $25. Yeah, that didn't work. $25 to pass. Now might blow the account. That'd be pretty dumb. That would be pretty dumb, but we might do it. Come on, get down there. This is right up there with some of the dumbest things I've ever done. May as well at this point. Need $25 and now I'm going to blow the account. So dumb. All right, bye-bye account. Bye-bye account. This is so stupid. Like, what am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing, man. That's fucking dumb. Needed $25 and now I'm just gonna like, why did I add in like that? That's so freaking dumb. I'm stupid sometimes. This is so dumb. There she blows. Well, when nanos come out, I have no idea. I have no clue. Well, maybe we won't blow. Maybe we can get down here and get out of it. Come on. What do I need now to pass? $300, so 15 points. 247 down to, yeah, somewhere down there. I'm not going to let that go back red. Better just to get out of it and leave myself a couple $100 to have to pass. Man, that was so stupid. Like, that was one of the dumbest trades I've ever taken in my life. How dumb is that? All right, now we need still 280 to pass. But at least we got out of it. Yeah, Clary, that was so stupid. So stupid. Man. All right, now we need 280. We needed $25. We needed 25 bucks. What are we doing? We just added like a madman. Like, what are we doing there? So dumb. Dum ba da dum 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 dum. I almost did something disastrous this morning too. I'll tell you guys about it. I was trying to take the opening range trade. Well, I took the opening range trade on these accounts, right? And then I was trying to take it the next trade only on this funded next account, and I accidentally didn't turn the trade copier off. So I was up 1,000 on these accounts, and then I recognized it like, oops, and I just closed it. The trade actually ended up it did end up working, but yeah, I accidentally entered the trade again on those accounts. I didn't turn the copier off. So yeah. I cannot believe that was only $25 away. All right. We scalped a short on the second one, turned it down, picked up 50. I like it. We also did tap into a little BPR here, right? Thing is, I shorted into a bullish cap in discount. Like, what are you doing? Why did I do that? I don't know. We don't know why we did it. We don't know why we did stupid stuff, but we did. Luckily, we were able to get out of it. Luck, right? That was complete luck. To be honest, that was luck. With only a couple of $100 lost. Nothing more, nothing less. And now I'm just like trying to be patient because I don't really know what it's going to do now. So that's definitely up there with one of the dumbest things I've done, though, for sure. I'm going to jump in here, try and take a little scalp short. Just looking for 5 points. Just going to go 5 micros, 5 points. I think I need to do that 4 or 5 times to pass. Negative R, but we'll see. Top of the hour coming up here. What, 45 seconds? Could wreck us. $17 seconds. Quantower candle price action looks smooth. It's nice. Just past Apex 50K. Let's go, Clarity. Really? Really? Might. Nah. Nah. Got to get me out of that ad pretty quick here. Well, just a little push lower here. That's all we're asking. Nothing crazy. We'll take that off. Look for a better spot, guys. We're going to look for a better spot. Let's kind of see where we're at on this little leg here. Yeah, we pushed up into the 618, got that rejection off of it. Maybe one more push up here. I might try it again. One more little shove higher. I think one more shove higher. We'll try another short. Let's see. You try one there. I want to see this push down, get me out here pretty quick. There we go. All right. Now we need 220. Again, I'm just going to try to look for spots where it makes sense to maybe get 5 points. That's what we're going to try to do until we can kind of see if we can't. Don't do anything too stupid and try to get this thing passed. Nothing too crazy. Oh, let me go ahead and start that giveaway for the other account. Exclamation point MM to get in there. Guys, I'm going to let you guys in on a little secret. Let you guys in on a little secret. Let me show you guys. If you guys didn't know this, not really a secret, but I'll tell you about it. If you didn't know this, the end of day drawdown account with Bulenox, I was kind of thinking about this morning a little bit. The end of day drawdown account with Bulenox, specifically the 25K. Look at it. You get 1,500 in drawdown. You got a 1,500 target. You can pass in one day. Now there is a daily loss limit on there, I guess, but can you change that? The end of day has the daily loss. The trailing does not. The trailing does not. I guess as long as it goes, right? What's the difference in price? So they're the same, oddly enough. What is 45% of 145? I'm curious to what this thing costs. 45%. I may pick some of these up and try to pass them on the old Nvidia numbers. Oh, they're $80 each. Maybe. So that'd be 160. Mike could do that. So effectively, it costs you 160 to get a funded account. I guess that is a little pricey, but not too bad. They don't have their own copy trader that I know of. Maybe they do, but I don't know. Yeah. I copy trade them. I just use the normal copy trader. Yeah, but I was thinking about the Nvidia numbers, maybe trying to pass some stuff. Maybe Bulenox. Maybe Bulenox one more time. I'm thinking about full sending a TPT account as well, a 25K account. Yeah. See if the 5-minute candle closes above the midnight open. If it does, I'll take a little retest. Did I say what I thought it said there? Oh. $53 seconds left on this 5-minute candle. That's how it closes. Closes above midnight open. I will stab off the midnight open long. I think. $20 seconds. I'm a stab here. Try to get a quick 50. Quick 5 points. Almost a classic blow up. All right, I'm in. Wow. What the hell? Every trade has been a fight trying to get this account passed, guys. Been a fight. All right. We are now $180 away. It's a fight. It's a battle. I'm battling over here, guys. I'm battling. Fighting for my life. Fighting for my life on these accounts. This account. Fight. I'm telling you, it's a fight. It's a struggle. I don't know if this upper level was traded through during. It was. So these are still got relative equal highs up here. Previous day high. Kind of a lot of wicks up there. I don't even know where our open price is from last night. Anybody even? I didn't even mark that out. Are we right here at it? We are. So the close 87. The open is 88. I'll just mark this out right here. Could pick up some points off that level there if we get up there. So ES not holding that 96. Oh, we didn't quite get to the open. Pretty close to it though, huh? Pretty close to it. Price increase. I guess if we pull back to like 238, I'll try it again for a little 5-point bounce, potentially. Little pivot point right in that area. 50 MA. If we get above, that's a heck of a stop though. 26 points. Phew. I don't know if I want to take this 21 EMA play. We'll see. All right. Come on now. I'm gonna front run this 38 level. It's been coming a few points in front of it and then kind of bouncing. So we'll see if it does that this time. I mean, really? I'm gonna say even with a front run, I'm not gonna get tagged in. And it did not matter. Fun times, fun times. Come on, do your job. Squeeze it. Do your job. Went deep in the red on your TPT Pro. Now back to green. Let's go. iTrade's nice. I hate this ad, but I have to do it. All right, I'm just getting out of that. It might go, but I don't like the fact that we're below all those EMAs. We close below them. I'm happy to just get out, basically break even. Apex Legacy accounts, 90% off, guys. Use code MYTH. Intraday, no activation fee for $49. I'm assuming that's on the Legacy accounts as well. Rotation all day, yeah. Would hit the target there, but I'm okay with taking that off. We still need 190 now to pass. Yeah, I'll probably come back for NVIDIA earnings, guys. I'll probably come back for the earnings. Living like Jesus. Not leaving yet, but just saying. Might gather an account to full port or two. I'm thinking about going with a Take Private Trader Pro account, resetting a 25K and just full porting on earnings. I don't know. Maybe J Deal, maybe. All right, guys, new 5-minute candle coming up. Oh man, I want along here, but mm, 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 mm. I'm gonna look for the quick 5 points here if we can get it. Don't want it to turn into a fight. All right, now we need $147. So 3 more trades. Can we find 3 more spots to bass this account that has been quite tough? I will take a 287 rejection. Previous day close / open up there. Would try that up there. Do I just try it with one, though, is the question, or two? I think one. See if we get another rejection there or not. All right, getting a pretty good pullback here. Back to the VWAP. I could look for 5 points here. By the way, guys, I am going to put a stop in on this one. I'm going to go break even pretty quickly. I tried to go break even there, but I guess I had dropped it. Get up there. All right. I'm not giving that much room. I want it to either go or not there. Probably still does, but it's all right. Pull back into the 200 could be a spot to maybe stab. Just looking for little 5-point stops here, 5-point stabs. 5-point stabs. Be right back. Chopping around, guys. We got 5 minutes till the London close. See if Price wants to do anything then. Man, I've got to go to the toilet, guys. Hold on. All right, we're back. Woo! We're back. I actually forgot I left that left that order on up there. Kind of looking bull flaggy on the 5 minute here. We are in premium though. We will see how this price closes here. On the 5, if it closes right here, I don't mind stabbing long. We'll be right into the London close though. Really good looking 5 minute candle here. I'm going to wait for the close. I think I am. $30. 236 would be the stop. All right, I'm in. Come on. Get up there. No messing around. Just get up there. Go. Get up there. You can do it. You know you want to do it. I mean, do you not want to do it? Guess it doesn't. Maybe it doesn't. I'm going to add one. I'm going to add 5 more here if it pushes back through my entry. So I think if it pushes through the entry, it just accelerates. But if I get stopped here, that's okay. I mean, it sucks, but it is what it is. Oh, shoot. I got to move this. Need the bounce here. Get up there. Come on. Get up. Get up there. Unfortunately, probably going to get stopped here. Maybe. Maybe not. Okay. I like that. Come on, squeeze it up there. Squeeze that thing up there. Let's go. Nope. Couldn't do it. All right. We're back to needing $333 now. Man, I just cannot get this account passed. I cannot get it passed. You liking the lockout button for Ninja? Passed an eval yesterday and traded it by accident. Luckily went in my favor. Immediately used the lockout button. Let's go. Yeah, the lockout button is nice. It's quite nice. It's a good feature for sure. I mean, I don't have to get this account passed today. I was just trying to. I needed $25 earlier. Oh. And I entered that atrocious short. If I had managed that short correctly, though, probably would be out of it by now. Yeah, My Fund of Futures doesn't have it. They don't have Trade of 8 prop. That's why. Maybe they'll eventually get it. Man, I feel like we're just going to run this wick down here at 205. Kind of chopping around here. Bottom of the range. I'll try this again. I get a little quick pop. I didn't know it's so hard to get 5 points. I guess when you kind of get in late, you know. Okay, back to needing 300 or 290 now. Oh, you see it on Ninja? Clarity, where do you see it on Ninja? Oh, well, I don't have my Infinite Futures connected on Ninja. Man, I'm struggling over here, guys. I'm struggling with this account. I'm trying to like scout my way to passing, but man, it's not going that well. Yeah. We went from needing 3 more to now we need 6 more. Anybody take the pre-orb this morning? It was clean today, very clean. Opened up, tagged in right away, and just ripped. I dropped my order probably 1 second before the market opened. Oh, you took it on the stream? Okay. I didn't know if you did. I didn't get to watch very much this morning. Unfortunately. I mean, is this still... It still looks like a bull flag here, right? We're in a wedge. I mean, if it closes... close above 56 here on the 5. We could try it again. I don't know. Took a scalp, Lucky Mon. Let's go. It really's only lost. It's went 14 for 16. It did technically lose Monday. However, you could have used discretion and not taken the long. I dropped the long, got just wicked in on Monday and lost. But it did take out a lot of liquidity to the upside before it came back in. So theoretically, you could have avoided the loss on Monday potentially. But the bottom side paid huge with no drawdown. So today's range was really nice. It was right at 40 points. I think it was like 39. Yeah. All right, I may try this long one more time. Stop at 31. No. If the 5-minute closes above 56.50, does not look like it's going to. Yeah, look at the YM. Look at that 5-minute on the YM. Huh. I mean, it's a pretty good candle close there. I just don't love, man. I feel like it's going to go. I'm going to try this here. A little trend line break on the 5. There we go. Quick. It's kind of what we wanted. Now we need 250. We're going to short up there at the previous day close. I should really put the stop on. Let's do that. Let's do it like that right there. See how she goes. If we can hit that one, it'll get us back down to $200 to pass. It's been a fight on this account all day. A lot of resistance up in this area. Midnight open, previous day close, open. Lots of resistance in this area. You guys haven't already hit that like button. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. If you want to enter the giveaway, exclamation point MM. Do the giveaway in about 10 minutes. Can limit short sitting at 287. Look for 5 points off of it. 5 points. See what happens. It's either going to blast right through there or the other option. Let's zoom in on it. Zoom in on it. Don't you do me like that. Come on, bro. Really? Come on, Nasdaq. Don't you even be like that. That's so rude. So rude, guys. So rude. I came like, I don't know, a few ticks away. Now we're in. Now we're definitely in. 5 measly points. 5 measly points. That's it. That's all we want. You got to be effing kidding me. Nope. Not doing it. I've seen that show before. You're at 360 on your PA, but you're locked out. Let's go. Good job locking yourself out. I've seen that program before, guys. I've watched that show before. Now, we'll get back in on a backdoor action here. Come on. All right. Now need $190 to pass. 190. Little backdoor action got the job done there. Still got work to do, but chipping away at it, chipping away at it. Vince, this is a My Funded Futures Rapid 25K. I got this eval with 80% off coupon for like $20. So honestly, I forgot that you could have two builder evals, two builder funded accounts. I would have actually bought the builder, but I forgot. So yeah, we're $190 away from passing. We'll see here if we can get it done. I was $25 away from passing, so I got it from ripping one of those packs, but oh. You get it from the club thing. They just gave me one, so I just ripped it. It was kind of just a lucky draw. Guys, I'm super sleepy today. Man. Well, we may not get this account passed today, and that's okay. It feels like it sucks because we were $25 away from passing, but what can you do, you know? Possible inside buy on the 5. Feels better to pass accounts on Thursdays. Does it? Is it Thursday? Tomorrow. Indeed. I mean, it feels just as good today, though, Larry. It'd be just as good today. I'll probably fire up the stream for NVIDIA, guys. Maybe like 3:45, we'll watch the MOC. We'll fire up the stream. Maybe we'll might fire it up at like 3. We'll see. I don't know. Gonna try to YOLO some accounts. YOLO. YOLO. Funny when people start. 20 seconds till a new 5-minute candle here. Yeah, a little NVIDIA giveaway, maybe. Maybe. Nope. Do we pull back to 275? I might take a stab long if we pull back to 275. Oh yeah, Primo. I mean, that's the thing. It's like last time it had kind of like a move before the market, before the numbers came out. or something like that. Gonna go break even here at 280. If we get a bounce to 280. What the hell? What was that? I don't know what that was, but that wrecked me on that one. Wreckage. Anybody know what that was? I don't. I don't. Just kind of a push lower. The orange man must have tweeted. He might have. That was wreckage. Financial juice. Putin said planned Ukraine escalation. Oh. You're in short side trade? Let's go. Mr. Feel. Well, what you gonna do, you know? What can I do? I don't know. What can I do? All right, I'm gonna try the short here. I'm gonna go break even at 221. I'm gonna go break even 221 here. See if we get the push lower. 221.50. Got to get through the VWAP there. Might take a moment. No, I didn't blow the account clarity. He met interesting people when the market makers abducted him. Oh. Try to be patient here with this trade. We can really accelerate lower here if we want to. Just looking for 30 points. Come on, get through the 221. Man, if it gets through that 221, this thing's going to just rip lower. But that's the question. Can it do it? I don't know. Guys, I'm about to draw for the giveaway here. Exclamation point MM in the chat if you want to enter. Go for a little 1-to-1 here. I don't know that I'll do a race on this one. We might just draw. Well, never mind. We'll do the race. We're gonna end it at noon and do the drawing. So do the race at noon. So if you're not in, get in. Get in, guys. You got a minute and 50 seconds. You're on the clock. Come on, rip this lower. Get through that 21 and just go. Just bulldozer to my target. Bulldozer. Break that 5-minute trend line. Come on. Break it. Give me that red rocket. Where's the red rocket when you need it? Where's the red rocket when you need it, guys? Where is it? We're in need of the red rocket. The red rocket. All right, they're stopped to break even. This thing better go down there and hit my target. Come on, get down there. Get down there. Get down there. Get down there. Come on. Trying to wheel you down there. Come on, go. Get down there. Go. 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 Get down there. Get it. Get it. Come on, man. That sucks. I would pass right there if it hit the 30, by the way. Now we need 138 to pass. All right. I'm going to have to shotgun it, guys. I hate to do you like that. You know what? Yeah, I'm going to have to shotgun. Well, you know what? I think we can just do it. All right, it's close entries now. Oh, you see that thing's going to go now. Look at that. You hit my target, you piece of junk. I knew it was going to. I knew it was going to. That's so annoying. Would have passed the account. Would have passed. Man, the 5-minute break of structure. So beautiful. I can't really chase it now. I mean, I could, but it's so dangerous to chase it. I'm not chasing it, guys. Dang it, I knew that was going to hit too. That sell off. All right, guys, we got you all in there. Let's shuffle you up. Go. I don't know who's who, so we can only root for the colors. Such a pretty color. Pretty color. Man, I cannot believe that. Cannot believe I did that. Well, I can. 140 to pass is what? Oops. Sorry, guys. That's what, 28 ticks? 29? Who's it going to be? Traders Launch, 55 split on some accounts. They're 80 on the others. Depends on which one you buy. Hey, somebody. Stargazer. Stargazer. Man, I want a short here so bad. Oh, the giveaway one? No, it's 80%. Should be. I think. Stargazer, send me an email, methodicalman@gmail.com. Click in the top right-hand corner, screenshot your YouTube channel showing that you're logged in. Include your email from My Fun and Futures, and I'll get your account over to you. I might try another short here off the 220, guys. Let's see if we get a short off the 220s. You're long now, 232. Nice. I'm going to try it, guys, off the 220 area. That's what we need to pass. Come on, man. Trying to get tagged in up here. Want to see a really quick reaction if I get tagged. If I get tagged in. Come on, dude. Oh, man. I'm trying my best to pass this account, guys. If you receive the 55% one, no. I mean, Ola, I can't control what they give you. I thought that was 80% one. I mean, that's what I was told before, so I don't know. I mean, unless they change something. So the ones they give me are the 80% ones. The ones that I get from them. Come on, guys. Tell the market to tag me in short and immediately go to my target. Thank you. I appreciate you guys telling the market that. It's very friendly of you. Oh. Well. All right, I'm in. That's good, bad, indifferent. I don't know. One or the other, I guess. Come on, hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Come on, man. Get down there and hit that. Boom. Let's go. Man, it took me all day to pass that. You guys have seen me struggle to pass that account since I got on here. But we did it. Boom. Up 5.19. Passed it by $2.92. So it'll be our second funded account with my funded futures there. Trying to grind it up. If you guys haven't already, hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Remember, 90% off Apex code MYTH. Code MM on every other prop firm. I do appreciate you guys supporting the channel. I'll be back at probably sometime between 3 and 4 for the NVIDIA earnings. Join me for that. Appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you next time.
Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alive.